What's going on, everybody? Mike here. We got another reset for you. Probably the last one for the day. We'll do a TCL 50 XL. This reset also applies for the TCL 50 XL NXTPAPER. It's the same combination. The phones are basically the same. The screens are just different. I'm not sure how I feel about the NXTPAPER screen, but that's a whole different video, a whole different opinion. Right now, I'm just going to show you guys how to do a reset. So if you have one of these, hard reset, I should say. If you have one of these and you have one that you have a pattern or a password or a pin and you don't know what it is and trying to figure out how to do a hard reset, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First thing we got to do is turn off the phone. You have your volume up, your volume down, and your power button right there. I'm going to hold the power button. Yep. I'll bring up and turn it off real quick. All right. Pretty cool phone. It's got a nice camera, especially for the price point. But it all depends on what you like. Let's see. Let's hold the volume up. To do this reset, we'll do volume up and power at the same time. Once the phone turns on or you feel it vibrate, you can let go of the power button, but just keep holding the volume up button. So I'll do it from this angle so you guys can see it a little better. So I'm going to hold volume up and hit the power button. All right, let go of the power button. Keep holding volume up. And it brings us to our reset menu. It's a little bit smaller, which is nice. But we want to scroll down to use the volume buttons to scroll and the enter button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit enter. Scroll down a little bit more again to factory data reset, hit enter. And now the phone is resetting. It's already all done. And we'll hit enter again to reset the phone, or to restart the phone, I should say. And there it goes. And now we'll load up to the welcome screen and you can navigate it back to the home screen and set it back up. But this is how you do a hard reset on a TCL 50 XL. Also works for the TCL 50 XL NXTPAPER. Just a reminder, when you guys do this, you will delete all your data. So if you got anything important, it's gonna go bye-bye when you do a hard reset. All right, thanks for looking. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, love to hear a comment. If not, like, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. We'd always appreciate it. Thanks.